In today's video, I'll show you how to embed a link in Notion so you can add external content directly into your pages for easier access and better organization. Start by opening Notion and navigating to the page or database where you want to embed the link. Make sure it's the right page so everything stays organized. Next, type /embed and select embed from the menu that pops up. This prepares the page to accept your link. Now, copy the link you want to embed, like a PDF, website, or video, and paste it into the embed field in Notion. In just a few seconds, your link will appear fully integrated on your page. This feature makes your Notion workspace more interactive, letting you view external content without leaving the page. You can use it for PDFs, videos, websites, and more. Perfect for keeping everything in one place. And that's it. Your link is now embedded, making your workspace cleaner, more organized, and easier to navigate. Thanks for watching and happy Notioning.